Tweets here, and today I'm going to finally be unboxing my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I picked this up a couple of days ago. I've been waiting to do it. So here we are. We are going to get right into it. Before I get started, I have a couple of accessories that I got with it. You know, a couple of recommendations. Obviously, the clear case is the best in my opinion. I love it. And you have the screen protector, which you need if you break phones like a lot of us do. Two important things. All right, now into this phone. This is the midnight green version of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It is the 256 gigabyte one in terms of the memory. There's also the 64 gigabyte, which is going to run you about nearly $1,100, and then the 512 gigabyte, which is going to cost you about $1,449. I got the middle one because I think that is just enough memory to get the job done. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's do it. Let's unbox this thing. All right. First, we got the Apple stickers. You can never go wrong with the Apple stickers. We got the beautiful iPhone 11 Pro Max phone. Don't put that right there. It's royalty. We got the brick, literally. We got the ear pods, but like I said, they should be AirPods because Apple deserves to give us those. And then we have the cable. So all of those things. But we're not talking about any of this. We don't care about that. We care about this right here. The phone. So it's normally, so it has the iOS 13 operating system, which was just raveled out in September. Has a bunch of different cool features. Most notably is the camera. So with this one this year, it comes in 3 different lenses. The first one is 0.5, which is going to zoom out. Next one comes in 1, which is going to zoom in, and then 2x zoom, which is going to be even closer. In terms of the options, you have video, slow-mo, time-lapse, a lot of the same ones that were incorporated in the last couple of iPhones. But this one with the Pro Max, it's going to give you really, really great photo quality, great video quality. It's going to look really amazing altogether. So another thing is that it does not feature the headphone jack. That has been a big thing with a lot of other iPhones. We will not get the headphone jack back. You either have to have AirPods or a Bluetooth connected type of headphone. So sucks. This phone features 4 gigabytes of RAM and it runs the Apple A13 Bionic chip. What that means is your gaming experience on here will be amazing, whether you're playing a game, whether you're doing anything you want to do. Another cool thing to note is that the iPhone 11 Pro Max is going to be water resistant. It can reach a maximum depth of 4 meters for up to 30 minutes. Now keep in mind the iPhone 11 can only reach a maximum depth for about 2 meters for up to 30 minutes. So it's a huge upgrade, which is cool. All right, guys, here we are outside. We are zooming in on a leaf. So you can see the camera quality is spectacular. You can zoom all the way in, does not lose a beat. You can zoom out, it's even more amazing. Cool, and then here's another situation where we tested out the 12 megapixel camera, just the ultra wide lens. How you zoom in and zoom out. It's just precise quality, precise zooming. Doesn't really break a sweat. You know, on other iPhones, the picture quality remains great, but just think with the 12 megapixel cameras for 3 lenses, you get a wide variety or wide scope, wide array of just great quality photos, great quality videos. It's just really amazing. And here we are again using the ultra wide lens for the iPhone 11, you know, capturing about 3 different shots from up close, from middle, and from afar. You know, of course, some photos are still going to feel fuzzy once you zoom in a lot, but for the most part, the photos came out really good. The quality was great. And in conclusion, I mean, I think it's a great phone. Unboxing it, I was able to take a couple of photos. It has a lot of the same features as the previous iPhones, which is expected, but the camera's really, really great. I love the camera. I love the photos I was able to take. And I mean, the battery life is great too. You can't deny that charging your phone, you know, within 30 minutes, 50% charge, that's good. So, you know, cop it if you want. But my first couple of thoughts is it's a great looking phone. It's a great phone in general. Thanks for listening, guys.